Tenor Madness. I played this the first time in a lower register and the second time in the higher register so that you could choose which one you like to do, or you could play both at different times when it suits the moment. This tune is generally associated with Sonny Rollins. Composer credits are given to Kenny Clark, and this tune also goes by the name Royal Roost. If you have any additional knowledge of the jazz history, please leave a comment down below. Next up, we'll play through the recording again, but this time we'll have some different visuals. We'll have the guitar, pro neck diagram, as well as tablature and standard notation. After that, I'll take you step by step through the melody, including the positions and fingerings that I'm using. If you do enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Also, check out our member area here on the YouTube channel. Okay, well, let's get started. Okay, so we've played through this. Once you go through the step-by-step, you may try to go through and play along with what I just did. So let's get started with the step-by-step. So I'm beginning here in position 5, and I'm just sliding into this note a little. Okay, then we go 8 on string 4, 8, 5, 8. Okay, and then I'm going to slide into this fret 6. And this is almost the same thing. Okay, and then we're going to go back to 7. Then we're playing kind of the same note collection. Okay, we get a little kind of back and forth. It gets a little busier in that moment. Okay, let's look at measure 4 right there at the end. We have that D flat. So again, sliding in. Okay, and we go to string 4. Okay, and then we're going to fret 6. Okay, same thing again. And then we're going to fret 7. Okay, and then back here to string 4. Okay, now this next part of the tune is quite different. We're gonna go to position 3, play the C on string 3. All right, and then we're gonna play like this in position 3. Okay, so it's all kind of C minor, except we have this B natural in there. Okay, and then we're gonna play B flat on this next measure, measure 10. And then we're gonna move to position 2. Okay. So again, remember we have the pickup note C. Okay, so just to play that again for you. Okay, and then we're going kind of back to the main theme here. We've got the D. All right, and we're gonna play fret 8. Okay, so that's the statement of the melody in the lower register. You can simply repeat that, but we'll talk about the higher register. It's really not necessary to play both, but I wanted to include both to give you options, and you may want to have those options when you play. Okay, so to start out this next one, we're on fret 10. We're gonna do very similar kind of phrasing, really the same. Okay, going to 9, back to 10. Okay, and then we have 11 again. So really that's pretty much identical, just on a different string set. Now we're going to 9. Okay, 11. So we just state that again. We go to fret 10. Okay, and play this again. Okay, now we're going to play this next segment, which is a bit different. We have fret 13 to start us out, and then we have 12. So that will have a slightly different shape to it than we had down here because we're crossing over from string 2 to string 3. Okay, now we're going to play 11. All right, we're going to have this fret 10. Again, we're going back to the main theme. Let's talk a little bit about picking directions. So I'm pretty much using alternate picking throughout. So when we go to play this, anything that's on the end of the beat, we're going to pluck upward. Anything that's on the beat, we'll pluck downward. So we'll play up, 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 down, up, 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 down. And then carrying on, we would have up, 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 and then down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So okay, so just nice, easy back and forth. Same thing here. Okay, and then again, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then you can also do some tapping or light picking to go certain notes. And then we're back here. Okay, so just nice, easy down, up, down, up, down, up along with the beat. And then the higher register will really be the same picking directions. Thanks for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helps you learn the tune a little quicker. I have for guitar lessons, consultations, and coaching sessions. If you'd like me to listen to you play and give you some feedback, I can do that. Check out the description down below. Also, check out the member area here on YouTube and my website, Fretprints.com, for more learning resources. Enjoy your practice session, and I'll see you all in the next one.